Welcome to Ferret Wonderland. Did you know there are so many types of betta fish? I've built many kinds of tanks for my bettas, all with the hope that they can live more comfortably. This time, I tried a method I've never used before to create a completely new look. While building custom tanks for clients, I also take care of some of my own ecosystem tanks. The plants grow so wild they sometimes block my outflow, so I have to keep adjusting it. Lately, I've gotten into propagating carnivorous plants. They really make the tank more fun and full of life. A fish tank that's different from anything I've made before. Not just in appearance, but also in how much living space it offers the creatures inside. To achieve this, I applied expanding foam to the outside of the tank, giving the overall design a more natural look and a stronger sense of depth. A lot of people think bettas only come in red or blue, but there are actually many types, like half-moon, placket, piquet, crown-tail, veil-tail, and elephant ear bettas. Some even have koi patterns, marble colors, or dragon scale shine. Each one has its own unique personality and charm. You know what? This tank has no filter, no CO2, and I didn't even add any liquid fertilizer. But I'm still trying to make everything grow, and I want the fish to live happily too. Well, it all starts from here, with a healthy layered soil base. Now it's time to add the plants. I went to the flower market specifically to find some plants suitable for this tank. I looked at several terrestrial plants and also picked some low-light tolerant, shade-loving aquatic plants. I also grabbed a few pots to decorate my studio. I've always loved a simple, natural approach. This time, I wanted to challenge myself to create a tank that relies entirely on nature. Just light, soil, plants, and the organisms themselves to build a stable, self-sustaining ecosystem. If you want to create a similar tank, the choice of aquatic plants is actually quite flexible. You don't have to stick exactly to the ones I picked. For example, you could choose plants like Microsorhum terapus, Java fern, Java moss, various mosses or Cryptocorin wentii, and so on. For the terrestrial plants, I chose the carnivorous Sarracenia purpurea, not only because of its unique appearance but also because it helps control mosquitoes. To prevent root rot, I used large volcanic rocks combined with sphagnum moss, which ensures good aeration and drainage around the roots, helping the plant grow healthy and strong. After the water quality stabilized, I introduced the Betta mahacaensis, ensuring they have a healthy and safe environment. The mahacaensis betta's shimmering colors sparkle like sapphires, revealing a unique beauty from every angle. This distinct brilliance is just as stunning as the charm of the giant koi betta I also keep, each with its own breathtaking allure. Besides the mahachai betta, I also have other beautiful varieties like the half moon and the elephant ear bettas. Each betta has its own personality and style, making the aquarium a vibrant and fascinating ecosystem. Because I felt the tank was still missing something, I often visit different flower markets and aquarium shops to seek inspiration and new elements. I bought mini pitcher plants and Venus flytraps, ready to add more life and interest to the aquarium. I propagated them by dividing the plants and planted the new shoots in other tanks. Some of the aquatic plants have started melting. Don't worry, this is a natural part of the adjustment process. As long as the roots are healthy, new leaves will grow soon. Just make sure to trim the melted parts to help the plant recover faster. I wonder if he liked the little toy I made? He just played with it for a bit and then walked away. Guess he wasn't that interested, huh? I've always enjoyed feeding my bettas a variety of different foods. Feeding them worms is mainly for their entertainment, letting them enjoy the thrill of the hunt. Plants and fish are thriving. It's time to trim the plants. Aquatic plants release oxygen through photosynthesis, helping to maintain stable water quality. Since plants absorb nutrients, water change frequency can be reduced, but it still depends on the fish population and plant conditions. Regular water testing is important to ensure ecological balance. After the water change, I can put my female Betta in to keep company with the male Betta. After adding her, watch closely for any aggressive behavior and make sure there are plenty of hiding spots to provide a safe space for the fish. Bubbles appeared the next day, a sign that the male Betta is building a bubble nest. This is a natural behavior during courtship and breeding, creating a safe place for eggs and fry. I bought a small mirror for them so they can see their own reflections. Sometimes this can stimulate bettas to show brighter colors and more energy. I also let Tika play with the mirror, which helps increase its activity and curiosity. Thanks for joining me on this journey into a natural, self-sustaining aquarium. If you enjoyed this simple and fun way of keeping fish, don't forget to subscribe and like.